In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Hostinger versus Bluehost and which is better in 2025. Choosing the right web hosting provider is a critical decision, especially as more businesses and individuals strive to establish a strong online presence. In 2025, Hostinger and Bluehost remain top contenders in the web hosting arena, each offering unique advantages depending on your specific needs. Let's dive deeper into what distinguishes these providers and help you decide which is best for you. Hostinger is celebrated for its budget-friendly pricing and impressive performance. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking fast global servers with minimal downtime, all while sticking to a tight budget. This makes Hostinger an attractive option for small businesses, personal blogs, or startups aiming for affordability without compromising on performance. On the other hand, Bluehost is well known for its long-standing reputation as a WordPress-endorsed host. It's particularly appealing for beginners who are looking to create and manage WordPress sites, thanks to Bluehost's ease of use and comprehensive WordPress integration. When it comes to performance and reliability, Hostinger tends to outperform in speed and uptime based on tests conducted this year. Its use of global data centers and lightspeed technology provides faster response times, particularly under heavy traffic conditions. Although Bluehost maintains reliability, it occasionally lags behind Hostinger in raw speed metrics, which could be a consideration if your site expects to handle significant traffic. Pricing is a critical aspect to consider. Hostinger frequently offers the lowest introductory prices in the industry, coupled with modest renewal rates, which is a boon if cost efficiency is a priority. Bluehost's pricing structure, while also competitive initially, tends to have higher renewal fees over time. Nevertheless, it provides excellent value for those new to hosting, especially if you benefit from built-in WordPress management tools. Ease of use and support also play key roles in your decision. Hostinger utilizes its custom-designed H-panel, which offers a clean and modern interface, although it's slightly different from what traditional cPanel users might expect. While intuitive, potential users should note that phone support may not always be available, which could necessitate some self-directed learning. In contrast, Bluehost shines in customer support, offering live chat and phone assistance. Its seamless integration with WordPress makes it extremely simple for users with limited technical knowledge to set up and maintain their sites. Both Hostinger and Bluehost provide essential features like free SSL certificates, domain name deals, and email hosting. Hostinger includes these even on entry-level plans, offering substantial value right from the get-go. In contrast, Bluehost prioritizes a smooth WordPress setup and management tools, making it an ideal solution for bloggers or any small business focused on a WordPress-centric environment. Ultimately, choosing between Hostinger and Bluehost comes down to your priorities. Opt for Hostinger if you seek top-notch speed, cost-effectiveness, and are okay with some DIY setup. Bluehost, however, is the better pick if you value dedicated support, phone assistance, and seamless WordPress integration, despite slightly higher long-term costs. In summary, in 2025, Hostinger provides an excellent blend of speed, value, and reliability, best suited for those who prioritize performance and affordability. Conversely, Bluehost continues to be a favorite for beginners seeking ease, guided setup, and responsive support specifically tailored for WordPress hosting.